It's a part of our curriculum. Trezi Academy implemented on Ivy School of Design. And Trezi team is very fantastic. My batchmates, my jury, my teachers love experiencing my design inside Trezi.
मतलब बिल्कुल ही नहीं, ऐसा लग रहा था दूसरे वर्ल्ड में पहुंच गए हैं. बहुत बहुत अमेजिंग था, बहुत ज़्यादा.
Amazing experience is amazing. It feels like that you are actually in the model even if it is not ready yet, and you can perfectly see every bit and every distance, every texture, every color. It's amazing.
मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि मैं एक सॉफ्टवेयर के थ्रू ऐसा देख सकता हूँ. जस्ट अमेजिंग, बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है. सबको प्रेफर करूँगा कि सब करें.
They were mesmerized. No one in the jury had ever seen a design presentation in this manner before. Their facial expressions were saying everything while they are experiencing my design. I just loved the way the jury appreciated my design and praised my decision to showcase it with Trezi.
No. To be very honest, no.
By the students. This is the first time you've seen this.
Amazing. Finally, very, very good. Very good.
Excellent, very well done. And the 3D feel was very good. Quite perfect.
Okay.
Actually, Trezi can actually show you interiors. Not only architecture, but interiors, products, everything. So this experience was must for everyone.
This is the first time experience, really. I loved it. I loved it.
I loved my students' work. I'm really happy with what they've done. I'm really proud of you. मजा आ गया. Thank you so much. आपकी collaboration के लिए really happy.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.